Outsourcing backup is the best way you can protect your company's most valued asset, data. The fact is, you need a solid backup system for all your business data. The world is evolving fast thanks to technology. So, what is backups? Outsourcing backup and data recovery services are the process of contracting a third party to ensure that your business data is safely stored to be recovered or restored in the future. In simple words, data backup is a copy of all the most important data in your business. So, how do we ensure that all your business data is safe? We at How to Build a Website secure your data in different formats to add a layer of security. We keep other copies off-site to be safe in case of physical or natural disasters. Of course, you have 100% oversight on how and where your data is spread or replicated. So why not outsource business data backup when it is a simpler, easier way of ensuring sustainability for your company? Having an effective and secure company data backup plan is straightforward, and we are here to help you. You are one appointment away from hiring the best expertise and tools for backing up your customer, sales, management, revenue, and other personal data. We are happy to take up the responsibility of making sure that your data is safe and recovery ready. Contact us today.